Hello, this is Bupi underscore 1047 from the Environ, a global concept of pollution under check for mankind. Man of today should be living eco-friendly, pollution-free and nutritionally sound. So says the concept, and added on to WHO's definition of health is not merely the absence of disease but the complete mental, physical and the social well-being of man. To this, the new concept have been added in 2003 in Cancer 2003 magazine at New Delhi from Hayat Regency in a free paper read by the author Dr. Colonel B.J. Singh from Ahmedabad. You see, today over 77 to 100 odd diseases are caused by pollution and can easily be reversed by creating a good environment for living, eco-friendly, nature-loving, eating righteously, and exercising regularly. This is the basics of good health. I, at the age of 65, maintain an eco-friendly environment at my house at 51 Pushkar Bungalows in Ahmedabad, Nana Chiloda area, and live with nature, eat nutritiously sound food. It is preferred you eat either baked or in a tandoor or in an oven using the least of oils, and the best of course is using olive oil if one can afford. Otherwise, rice bran oil, safflower oils, other oils, vegetable oils with omega 3 are good substitutes like cottonseed oil. You see, omega 3 is very important for keeping your blood into good circulations and for the repair of the arterial systems and control of blood pressures and prevention from heart disease. That's why in the studies in Norway, in the Eskimos, it was found that they were eating a lot of seafood, fish oils, oily fish of deep sea cold water. Though they were fat and chubby, yet the arteries never clogged as much and they lived long lives, thereby proving that omega 3 is beneficial and hence recommended as a blood thinner. You see, a handful of substances like broccoli, green tea, walnuts, almonds are also very good for the heart. The preferred color with the natural code is the red and the black color, as advocated by the author. Cherries, berries, strawberries, plums, and beer in India are also rich in antioxidants. So are the apples, strawberry, cherries, berries. Other good items which one could take is the legumes, like the author always says, stay away from five whites, that is ghee, tel, makhan, rabdi, malai, maida, mithai, namak, aloo, chawal. Most of the white substances are very rich in carbohydrates and sugars and easily absorbed from the stomach or from the intestines and then broken down into blood sugars immediately, raising the blood sugars beyond the level which the kidneys can cope or the body can cope up. Exercise is very important, and it is well said that a minute and a 40 seconds exercise in between the meals could aid in shift of the sugars from the blood into the systems, into the muscular skeletal systems, and thereby producing energy for the muscles. Exercise is very important, so is yoga and meditation. Aerobics 3 times a week is recommended, and I do. Brisk walking with a little treadmill So, life in short is nothing but living eco-friendly, pollution-free, in a pollution-free environment, and to be nutritionally sound. I have all my teeth intact, excepting one with fractured and crowned, and my skin you can see is glistening. There are no wrinkles on my forehead, and my hair are naturally grey. My muscles are well maintained. Muscles are well maintained, and mentally, physically, and socially, I feel I'm quite healthy and accepted in the society as a leading cardiologist and a doctor from Ahmedabad at UN Mehta Institute of Cardiology and Research Center. Thank you very much for your patient listening.